Okay. Now we are going to see how we are going to use this Nikilam Navata Charmam Dashataha Sutra for multiplication. For multiplication. Uh, so we will be using the base as a 10, 100, 1000. Okay. So these are the bases we are going to use it, and you can go beyond that also 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. So we'll be using the base of 10, basically base of 10, and multiples of basics of 10, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, and so on. So the basic we will be using this one, and using that we are going to calculate a multiplication by a very easiest method. Okay, so that is also quite possible to start with, and we'll be using this one. So what we are going to do now, so now let us consider that we'll be multiplying, we'll take a single digit, 9 into 7, 9 into 7. So we know that if the tables are known, we can easily calculate it is 63. Okay, it is 63. But how we are going to calculate it now? Now, we'll be using this Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata Sutra for this one. So we are going to calculate how much the difference is there. So we know that 10 minus 9 is what? 1. Then 10 minus 7 is what? 3. Okay. So if we consider this one, 9 into 7, so 9 into 7, then in that case it is 1 less to the 10, and it is 3 less to the 10. It is less. That's why I have marked it as a minus. Okay. And if the number is greater than 10, that also we are going to see how we are going to multiply it. So 9 minus 1 and 7 minus 3. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do that, I'm going to take a cross difference of this one. I'm going to take a cross difference. That means 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, and 7 minus 1 is also 6. Okay. So I'll keep it as a 6 here, and then I'm going to multiply these two differences, and I'm going to get a multiplication as a 63. Okay. So this is how I will get, or this is how I'm going to use this Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashatha uh, sutra for calculating the multiplication, for doing the multiplication. Now this is very easy because we are using a single digit. We are using a single digit. But before we proceed for the further multiplications, let me make you very clear that when you are multiplying with such division multiplications, then this is one factor, 9 into 7. So what you do, you simply divide the answer into two parts. So this is the difference you'll be getting. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, mm, just a minute. Okay. What I'm going to do it, I'm going to make it as a separate part. So this part is separate one. So this part is separate one, and this part is separate one. So here is a divider, or uh, a separator between the two parts. So what I'm going to do it now, if I'm taking a base of 10, here will be only one digit will come. If I'm taking a base of 2, here the two zeros are there. So let us consider that if I'm going to multiply it with, let us say, 93 into 96. This is what the multiplication I'm going to do it. Then in that case, the split will be like this. Here I'm getting the two digits and I'll be solving that problem. Okay. Then if my base is 1000, then the three digits will come. So if the three digits will come, then in that case you have to use, if three digits are there, let us say the digits are three and your answer comes out to be 18 only, then in that case you have to put 0 over here. Okay, so this is what the concept we will be using in this uh, picture, and I'll explain it once again as we proceed further. Okay, so now let us move to the next concept, or next multiplication, where the base is 10. Base we are going to use it as a 10, so base will be of 10, and the multiplication is 13 into 17. Hmm? 13 into 17. Now this number is greater than 10. So 13 is greater than 10. So I'm going to, just a minute. So 13 is greater than 7. So I'm going to put a plus the sign. So how much it is exceeding by 10? By 3. So here it is 17. So I'm writing plus 7 over here. Okay. Now here it is. Okay. Now the difference, or this is a separator from this one. Now do a cross multiplication, sorry, crossing of this one. So 13 plus 7, 13 plus 7 is what? 20, and 17 plus 3 is 20. So I'm going to write 20 over here, and I'm going to multiply these two, and I'm going to write it over here. So that comes out to be 21. But that is not the correct answer because I'm using the base 10. So these two I have to shift it over here. So I'm going to add this 20 plus 2, so that comes out to be 22. So my answer comes out to be 221. Now you can just see whether you will be getting the answer 221 or not. 13 into 17. So that comes out to be 221. Okay, just see it. So you are getting the answer 221. So this is how you can find it very easily instead of going. Let us check whether we'll be getting 7 into 3. It's 21. Uh, so carry 2. 7 into 2. It's 91. So we'll be moving 1 year, and if we are writing 3 year. Now see, you will be getting 1, this is 2, and here it is 2. So your answer gets tallied over this one. Okay. Now let us take another example. Now just you do it, 18 into 17, and tell me the answer. And tell me. Okay. The case 3, we are going to see it. One number is greater than, let us consider that this is greater than 10, and another number is less than 10. Now let us consider it is 7. Now using this formula, this is plus 2 and this is minus 3. Okay. So here it is, I'm going to put it. Now 12 minus 3 is 9, and here it is 7 plus 2 is 9, so this is correct, and I'm going to multiply it. Now it is 6, but one sign is plus and another sign is minus, so I'm going to put it as a minus. but minus sign 9 minus 6, that is not the correct answer. So what I'm going to do it here, I'm going to convert this into 10 minus 6, and I'm going to put a bar over this, and I'm going to reduce it by 1. So that comes out to be 8, and answer is 4. So 12 sevens are 84. So this is how you'll be getting the answer for one positive number and one negative number, or one number greater than the base number and one number less than base number. So this is how you can solve it. Okay. Now we'll be moving towards a base of 100. Base of 100. Okay. Now let us consider that 93 into, you are going to do it 95. I am taking the number closer to 100 because you can understand the concept. Okay. So this is less 700 and this is less 5. Okay. Now you put a difference over here. So this is less than, that's why it is minus minus. So 95 minus 7 or 93 minus 5, that comes out to be 88. That comes out to be 88. Okay. Now since the two zeros are here, so I'm going to put two digits here. So multiply 7 by 5. So that comes out to be 35. So your answer is 8835. So this is how fast you can calculate your multiplication with the help of the sutra Navamam Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata. Okay. Now you can do it 86 into 83. 86 into 83. So you can do it. So this is minus 14 and this is minus 17. So you can put it 83 minus 14 or 86 minus 17. You can put it, what will be your answer? 83 minus 14. So that comes out to be how much? 69. Okay. Now here 14 into 17 you have to multiply it. So 14 into 17 you have to multiply it. So you are going to multiply it 14 into 17. So that comes out to be 238. So only I'm going to put a digit over here and I'm going to put a 2 carry over here. So my answer comes out to be 7138. So this is how I'm going to calculate it so fast. This is how I'm going to calculate it so fast. Okay. Is it okay? So now you can take the example. You can go for the base of, uh, let us take the example of base of 1000. Base of 1000. So this is the example you are going to take now. Base of 1000. Let us take the example 888 into, uh, let us consider 997. Now solve it by this method. Now solve it by this method. Now 888 is use again that sutra 1000 minus 888. Use the sutra of Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata. So last digit from 10. So this is 2 and rest from 9. So that comes out to be, sorry, that comes out to be this should be 1. Just a minute. So this should be 1 and this should be 1. So here it is. This should be less 1 1 2, and this is less by 3. Okay, so put a bar over here. So what will be the difference? 888 minus 3 is 885. So you are putting directly as a 885. Now you can put it 997 minus 112. It comes out to be 885 only. Now multiply these two. So that comes out to be 336. So here it is your answer, 885336. So this is your answer, and this is the way you can calculate so fast using the sutra called as Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata. So you can use the base of 10, 100 and 1000 and you can calculate it. Uh, I hope you might have understood the concept. ओके. सगळ्यांना कन्सेप्ट कळालेला